Hi there, Matt. As I said in my message there's a couple of wee scratches for a Civic we're hoping you could have a look at tomorrow as well. Tomorrow being the 2nd of December. So I just wanted to show you where they were. Alex is going to have this video, so I'll give him the details so you can ask for him when you come in. But it was at the back here under the boot lid. There's a couple of chips and a scratch. We can get that sorted out. And then inside the well of the rear passenger door, there's a couple of wee scratches and things there, if we could tidy them up. And the very last one is something that will possibly polish out. It's just you probably can't see it in the video here, just a little couple of scratches there. Okay, just because of the crease of the car. So you can see the number plate as well. Okay, so I'll give Alex this video and you can maybe just ask for him when you come in, okay? Thanks then, bye bye.